This is a brand new 2015 Chrysler 200. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, the Uconnect infotainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, dual power seats, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chevrolet for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.